Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to enable the deletion of apps on your iPhone. This is a simple process, but it's important to make sure you're doing it correctly. We'll cover all the necessary steps to help you manage your apps efficiently. First, let's start with the basics. When you want to delete an app, make sure you're doing it the right way. You need to hold down on the app icon until it enters wiggle mode. In this mode, you'll see an X icon or a minus sign appear on the app. Tap this icon to delete the app. Keep in mind that there are two options here: removing the app from the home screen, which doesn't delete it entirely, or completely uninstalling it. The complete uninstall option is usually marked with a red button. Make sure you're selecting the right option to fully remove the app if that's your goal. Now let's talk about apps that you might not be able to delete, like the Settings app or Safari. These apps cannot be completely removed from your device, although you can remove their icons from the home screen. To manage these apps and other restrictions, we need to dive into the screen time settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then navigate to the screen time section. Once you're there, scroll down to find Content and Privacy Restrictions. In this section, you'll see various options to manage the apps on your device. Look for the Apps section specifically. Here you can find a toggle for Safari and other built-in apps. By disabling Safari, you can effectively make it unnecessary to keep the app, even though you can't delete it entirely. While you're still in the screen time settings, you'll also find the app installation section. This is a crucial area for managing app deletions. If you're finding that you cannot delete apps, it might be because the option to delete apps is disabled. In the app installation section, you have the ability to allow or disallow the deletion of apps. Make sure to choose the Allow option to manage your apps properly. Alternatively, you can disable the restrictions entirely if you prefer not to have these limits. That's it for today's tutorial on how to enable the deletion of apps on your iPhone. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Foxtecc, for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.